Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. It's about 4:30 in the a.m. on Saturday morning, 8/17/2024. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. I'm going to be getting out of here and going to hit the farmer's market. I didn't make it there on Thursday, so go try to get some veggies I need. Excuse me. Yeah. Trying to get over to do the veggies, because hey, got to go to the market. You always got to shop for something. And well, I like going to the farmer's market. It's got a lot of things there, especially on Saturdays, that aren't just food, so I don't mind wandering through and seeing what shows up. When I get a chance to go to the farmer's market, I try to check out what is there. Sorry. Just got back from running around the building twice. Had somebody out there that was causing me to have a bit of concern, so I went and tried to discourage them from doing stupid on Stupid Street, and they decided to go on down the road, so yay. There's always that going on. For some strange reason, there's always people out there trying to do things they probably shouldn't do. But hey, it is what it is. Okay. I was going through comments. Thank you for commenting. I do appreciate it. Hit the like, subscribe. Got 135 subscribers. Unless it dropped back down to 134. It's done that twice now. But anyway, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the notification thingy. But yeah, I had somebody comment asking, if I should go to the Philippines, being that I'm in such horrible shape. Well, don't get me wrong, my joints on my body are horrible, but I don't let it stop me. It slows me down sometimes. And losing some more weight would definitely help. I know I wasn't moving around a lot when I was weighing in at 260 plus. I'm down to under 220. I've been down as low as 200. But yeah. I enjoy food too much, and I don't exercise near as much as I should. But yeah, when it comes down to the Philippines, yeah, I'm going. I'm not gonna, stress the fact that, I've got high blood pressure, cholesterol's horrible, heart's in good shape. It's my joints and such, that are really messed up. I've been in way too many car wrecks. 14 car wrecks. And each time you get in a car wreck, your body gets shook around. This isn't counting the 8 dirt bikes and 7 street bike. Okay? I'm a disaster magnet. Crap happens to me on a regular basis. Some days I wonder how I move at all. But hey, I'm not going to let, worry stop me. So I think Epictetus said something about, the weight of your worries often outweighs the weight of your fears outweighs the realities, of your reality. In other words, you're letting your worries keep you from doing things. There's no such thing as safety in this world. Believe me, I've been hit and knocked sideways too many times to believe there's anything that is safe. And I've worked, I work here at a hotel. I remember seeing a video from a guy that was very irritated with the front desk at a hotel. So he went and got his truck and drove a semi-rig through the front door. Yeah. Okay? There is no safety in this world. Even if you're sitting inside a concrete bunker, well, you could have an earthquake and end up buried down there and can't do anything about it. You're dead. But guess what? I don't intend on letting fear stop me from living. And so what if I die? Oh, that's right. I'd be on a tropical island, able to go fishing. And as for my health, well, other than the fact that my joints ache, and yeah, I'm slower than what I used to be. I'm actually thinking it would be better for me to stick with trikes instead of scooters. Just say it. I don't need to go fast. I'm retired. I got nowhere to be fast. I don't want to be anywhere fast. I like the idea of, I was hearing folks talking about, traveling around and how you can't really get to know a place in just 1 week. Then I heard another one say something about that. And, today heard somebody else was talking about, slow travel. So, yeah. I think I'm going to probably, instead of doing everything in a week, do it in a month. Instead of bouncing around all those different islands, do it in, if I don't like a place, I can just up and leave to the next one. But, go find the next place that I actually like and spend a month there and find out how much I actually do like it. So yeah, slow travel. That's a good thing. So yes, am I in horrible shape physically because of car wrecks? Yeah. I hurt. I ache. Some days I really don't even want to get out of bed. But hey, you see where I'm at? I'm at my job. Doing my evil Wing, because guess what? If you don't get up and go do, well, you end up living under a bridge eating out of a trash can. And I know a lot of people who, have chose to do that. Not exactly the brightest idea. I wouldn't say they are the brightest bulb in the building, on the planet. But hey, it's a choice. So I choose to get up, come here and do this so that next year I can go to the Philippines, go get my eyes worked on, and go and enjoy fishing. Find a place that I like enough to say, that's my fishing beach. Or, that's one of my fishing beaches, and see how many of them I can find. Yeah. Why would you let something stop you from doing something? I mean, hey, you're gonna die sometime. Might as well die enjoying life. I mean, seriously, why be afraid to live? I just don't understand that. And I still drive a car, yet I've been in 14 car wrecks. Don't get me wrong, there have been some days I have thought, I'm just ready to give up driving. But I'm still driving. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. We'll see. But everything in life is a choice. And why would you want to choose to not do something because of your health? Well, if you're still physically capable of getting up and walking, go out and enjoy. Instead of walking around your house, go walk around the beach. Enjoy the day outside. That's something, I know several little old ladies and see them out in their gardens quite often. And they've got wonderful, beautiful gardens. One that is straight up flowers. So it's not producing anything for her. I slipped a couple of basil seeds into her garden and told her, "No, don't pull that one. That's a basil plant." And now she's got fresh basil in her garden. And on occasion, she goes out there and gets some fresh basil and mixes it in with her eggs for her sausage or her omelet or whatever. But she's out there and, oh my gosh, this woman's 90-something and still goes out to her garden and tends to her garden because she enjoys it. And it's not even, other than the basil I put out there a couple years ago, she's not getting anything other than just the pleasure of digging in the dirt and making her flowers grow better. And she gets to sit out there and have coffee, eat her breakfast, watching the flowers. And hey, I'm raising bees, so I really encourage her to have flowers. My bees like that. Or at least they did. I still got a patch out there in my backyard, though. So I probably should try to go move them, but I don't know. We'll see. See if I can find somebody who wants to take them. But yes, she's 90. I'm supposed to stop at 62, because 61, 62, because I'm afraid for my health. Well, like I say, all my joints ache. I have been tore up from the floor up when it comes down to my joints. Every time you get into a vehicle that, be in a car wreck, you get shook around. And it hurts. But why would you let that stop you? Seriously. It might slow you down, and it slows me down. But hey, I still want to get over there, go to Surigao, and try and go surfing. I mean, seriously, I might be crazy. Okay, I probably am. But, yeah, I just don't get it. Why let things stop you from doing something fun? Living life, because that's what it's about. Life is for living. And if you ain't living it, do you really have a life? Seriously, think about that. And are you going to let little things stop you from doing what you want to do? Well, if you want to, go ahead. It's your choice. But I think that's pretty sad when there's so much more out there. Really. Go forth and live life. Because that's what it's for, is living. Anyway, I hope y'all are having a wonderful, blessed day. I'm William. I'm Williams, Philippines. Anyway, later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out.